Hey everyone, John from Caster Systems here, and today's video is an unboxing or a walkthrough of the CTL 2000, known as the Smart Installation Tool. So it comes in this handy carry case with our company logo on the side there, and carry handle on the top there. And I'm just going to open it now and turn it around like this. And we are presented with a welcome card here with a QR code to get to the documentation and such. And on the other side of the card, we have a description of the LED statuses. So there's a little cheat sheet that you can put in your pocket, and you'll notice that it's made of a plastic which keeps it waterproof. So you can use that even in inclement weather. Next up, we have a safety and compliance document. Please read this before operating the device. Next up, we're going to go straight to the star of the show, the Smart Installation Tool itself. And this is the bottom of it. So this is the mounting rail. So that just slides onto the rail that's on the fixed wireless antennas to keep it nice and safe and in place. Turning it over, we've got the LEDs here. This is where the battery goes in. And on this side we have the RJ45 plug and connector to go to the antenna. Next up, we'll go to the next biggest one, which is the lithium-ion battery charger. It's pretty straightforward, standard affair, figure 8 input port on the back there. And of course, to power that, we have 4 different power cables, one for the UK, one for Australia, New Zealand, Europe, and US. This is a carry strap, carabiner strap, so you can actually just attach both ends onto here, and then you just adjust that, and you can use that as a carry strap or possibly even over the shoulder. Next up, we've got 2 lithium-ion batteries that go into the end there and also into the charger. And then we have our Ethernet pass-through adapter if you need to install without using the Aurora Pro application, though we do recommend using that for the best performance. Anyway, that's been it for this video. If you liked it, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thank you very much.